there was nothing special. We
There were
just
nothing special. Why is that?
I have actually I have two kids,
Mm-hmm.
but we just ate out,
Mm-hmm.
and then it even though it even though it was Christmas yesterday,
Mm.
I I slept earlier than usual.
Ah.
Actually, I went bed at 9 o'clock.
Oh. Okay. So your kids didn't see Santa yesterday.
Yeah, they didn't see Santa, but uh, my wife and I bought them something like gift.
Okay.
So they thought it was given by Santa
Ah,
Claus.
okay. Yeah. Because I was also hoping to meet Santa yesterday, but since I was also drunk, I failed to see him.
Yeah.
Yeah, me and my friends celebrated it with drinks. We
Drinks.
didn't eat. Yeah, we just drank.
Yeah, but
Literally. Yeah.
I used to like to drink when I was university or 20
Oh,
years old.
okay.
But after marriage, I I my, actually my wife doesn't like me to drink a lot because
Ah.
when
Yeah.
I drunk when I am drunk,
Mm-hmm.
wife is the only one who takes care of my children.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Uh-huh. Well,
my
I think we are just the same age, actually.
really I am
Yeah.
35 years old this year.
Yeah. Ah, yeah. I'm
Same
34.
34.
Yeah.
I was born in 1983.
83. I'm in 84.
Uh-huh, yeah.
Yeah, 84. I'm 84.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, anyway,
Uh-huh.
um, Jeff, can you help me because I am looking for the last lesson that you did
Hmm.
with AHOP Step One math?
Actually, it's my first time to use a hop
Oh,
lesson.
okay.
So
Oh,
actually,
all right.
I almost stopped using Mint to
Okay.
have a video class like this
Mm-hmm.
for like 8 or 9 months.
Mm.
So
Okay, it's nice for you to come back.
I started studying English in Mint last week.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
I I just look for the text that fits me or something.
Okay. Wow. Well, may I ask the reason why you stopped attending classes in Mint?
There's some reasons like I I moved moved
Mm.
twice in a year
Oh, okay.
this year, so the em- environment
Okay.
uh, didn't help me
Mm.
to focus on studying or something. And then
Mm.
I I mean once I stopped
Mm-hmm.
booking classes,
Okay.
I wanted to hang out or something. I mean, not hang out. I mean, I
Mm-hmm.
really like to watch some movies at home.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Okay. Yeah.
so I I wanted to watch watch movies more than to to have classes or something.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay. Nice. It's like you just took a vacation.
yeah,
Yes,
like
and then
vacation. But
yeah.
it means that I don't know. I mean I I didn't stop studying at
Mm-hmm.
all.
Okay.
I
Yes.
mean, I study English a little, and then I didn't use Meet like video
Mm-hmm.
class.
Ah.
Yeah,
So how were you studying? I mean, you attended academy or did you study by yourself?
by myself. I just watched of lectures of video.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah,
Ah.
and yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Because me, I that's what I also did when I studied Korean.
Hmm.
But actually, my Korean skills is maybe grade second grade, elementary or kindergarten,
Oh,
like
really?
that. Yeah. I also self-studied writing and reading, but sometimes the things that I read in Korean, I still
Mm.
cannot understand them. So,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Mm,
But anyway, yeah.
yeah, your your Korean skill might be better than my English.
No, that is not even true. Because what they classify the lesson as tourist Korean
Mm.
skills.
Uh-huh.
You know, those are the sentences that you would need when you're traveling to Korea for a short time.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I only know. Yeah. So
Okay.
okay, so let's start with your lesson one
Mm-hmm.
in AHOP.
Yeah.
Okay. So well, actually, this is just very easy because this is just counting from 1 to 10.
Yes. I I took a look at the text
Mm,
before the class. I mean, in
okay.
my office,
Yeah.
uh, it's kind of easy, but it says. I mean, Mint says, uh, Mint, bro, tend to start
Mm-hmm.
first, first,
Mm-hmm.
first step or something from the first
Okay.
step. Yeah.
Okay. So today we will be talking about numbers. So, Jeff, would you like to read the description in the book?
Yeah. Hello?
Yes, go ahead.
Uh, I I didn't
Oh,
have my
uh,
textbook.
oh, can you see it in the screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. So I would like you to read the description of what a number is here.
Okay.
Can you read it aloud?
Hold on. Now I'm on the book.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. Numbers are words or symbols that show the value of something. Numbers are also used in counting.
Okay. So in this lesson, we will talk about numbers 0 or starting from 0 to 10.
Hmm.
So let's look at the table below, and the table shows the numbers from 0 to 10.
Yeah.
Okay. So the next step is for you to read the names of the numbers,
Hmm.
starting from here, ending to here.
Hmm. Uh, hello.
Yes?
Say that again.
Uh, uh, so let's start by reading the names of the numbers,
Hmm.
starting from the first up until the last.
Do I count the numbers?
Yes.
Zero, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
right. You
yeah,
see, this is just like
yeah.
um, playbook for you.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So the next one is you will be counting how many can you see? and also the name of the item
Mm-hmm.
in the picture. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So I'll start from number one.
There are three candies.
Very good.
Yeah.
Next.
There are six red apples.
Okay. Five.
And what is this?
Yeah.
Is this what? What do you think it is?
Maybe that's a clay pot.
Clay pot?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Yeah. So there are seven clay pots.
Very good. So
Mm-hmm.
next is to write the missing numbers on the blank. So you have to uh, maybe here. So we can write something.
Mm-hmm.
So please write the missing number in the blank.
Okay. Two,
Okay.
six, seven, eight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. It will be
So this is
harder than now.
well, actually, this is the first step. So this is just rather easy. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we now go to the mini quiz,
Mm-hmm.
and um, you will be instead of writing,
Mm-hmm.
I would just like you to answer it verbally. Okay. So you have to count the question and
Mm-hmm.
answer it in a complete sentence too.
Mm-hmm. Okay. How many balls are in the box? There are four four balls, right? Four.
Yes, that's right.
How many flowers are in the box? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight flowers?
Where are the flowers?
Isn't this flowers?
Yeah, that is right. So there are eight flowers where?
In the box.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
How many
Okay.
donuts are in the box?
Yeah.
There are
Okay.
three donuts in the box.
Okay.
How many
Very good.
stars can you see in inside the box? Inside the box. One, two, three, four. Four stars inside the
Okay.
box.
Hmm.
How many oranges can you see inside the box?
Okay.
This is an orange.
Yeah, this is the orange.
I thought I thought they were apples.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, five oranges inside the box.
Okay, very good.
Yeah,
So, yeah, splendid. You have perfectly and
yeah,
precisely answered the questions.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
next mini quiz is to what are the missing numbers in the series? So, like just what you did earlier, you
Mm-hmm.
have to um, write the missing numbers in their series
Okay.
according to their type. So, notice how it was written.
Mm-hmm.
So, please follow that example.
Six, seven, eight, nine, one, two, three, six, eight, seven, eight, nine, 10, 2, 3, 5, 6,
Yeah,
3,
okay,
4,
very
5.
good.
Yeah, yeah,
So, so let's now go to the last.
yeah,
I think, yeah. So please help Ali count the apples on the table.
yeah,
So please count from left to right.
yeah. These must be apples.
Yeah.
Yeah. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. There are
Okay.
eight apples.
Where?
Uh, in front of her.
Yeah, okay. Well, most students would say on the
On the
table.
table, yeah.
So, yeah, well, actually, that is also right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, okay.
Yeah.
This is super easy for you. It's like chewing gum or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chewing gum.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like very
Yeah.
easy.
Yeah. Yeah. Very easy.
Okay, so let's now go to the homework part. But since we still have enough time,
Mhm.
so maybe we could answer this question.
Mhm.
So I would like you to read the questions
Uh-huh.
again and then answer them in a complete sentence.
Yeah. How many rays does the sun have? This sun has right. I mean, 7 rays.
Very
It
good.
it has 7 rays.
Okay.
Count the pictures in each row. Choose the correct answer from the choice. There are 3 dogs, so three,
Okay. Yeah.
and six cakes,
Okay.
um,
All right.
8 green
And
cups.
yeah, that's right. Well, do you have dogs?
No,
No
I
pets?
wish, but my wife
Oh.
would be scared of dogs.
Ah.
I don't.
Okay.
My
Because
wife doesn't like it.
okay. Well, amongst the movies that you have seen, what is the most remarkable or most memorable movie that you've seen?
Hmm, I like Marvels. All
Mm.
Marvels are interesting for me.
Mm-hmm.
so so
Ah.
yeah, it's very
Because
interesting.
so have you seen the Aquaman or the Doctor Strange and
Yeah.
Doctor Marvel?
Uh, Doctor Strange. I've seen
Mm.
it before, but Aquaman is really released,
Mm.
so I haven't watched it so far.
You haven't watched it yet.
Yeah,
Because I know the special effects guy who made the special effects from those movies.
I'm sorry.
He's also a student, yeah, of mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he would always tell me about what he was doing, how the
No,
progress of each special
no.
effects is going. Yeah. Very exciting.
Spoiled?
Yeah. Yeah. He is also Korean and he is based in Canada. So he lives in Canada now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe we still have another homework part, but yeah,
Mhm.
let's just do it today.
Mhm.
So, help Anna finish her school project. So, how many marbles should she put in the empty box or empty boxes?
Mhm. Uh, 3 marbles and 5 marbles
Okay.
and 7 and 10. Yeah, in the empty
Well,
boxes.
do you used to play with marbles too as a kid?
Mm,
Like
my
the
my this 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 is
yeah.
actually what my kids do.
Ah, okay.
Recently,
Uh-huh.
they
So do
they
you play with them?
yeah, they like to use these kind of things like Lego, like
Yeah.
Lego things.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay. Because as a kid, I would, you know,
Do you have a
I
kid?
would also play with that. So next is
Mm-hmm.
um, counting from 11 to 20.
Yeah.
So please read the description
Mm-hmm.
of the next lesson.
Yeah. It's still a lot harder than it was.
It's repetitive because, yeah.
You use numbers in counting. In the past lesson, we talked about number 0 to 10. Now we will count from 11 to 20. Look at the table below. The table shows number from 11 to 20.
Okay.
11,
Okay.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yeah. Well, actually, comparing it to the lesson that I was watching yesterday, all I could do was the Sino-Korean and the native Korean 1 to 10. That's
Uh-huh.
what I could only memorize. But if it's 11, 12,
In,
super
Kor-
difficult.
in Korean,
Yes.
yeah.
The hana dul set net
네,
taso there.
11, 12, 13,
Yeah.
14, like that.
Super difficult. And it
Difficult,
gets
yeah.
yeah, it gets even difficult a lot more harder when it's 20.
Yeah.
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 And uh
Yeah.
anyway, let's move on.
Actually,
Mm.
these things that uh, these things are the one my eldest daughter
Mm.
is learning about
Mm.
recently. She
Okay.
she is counting 11 to
Ah.
20 or something.
Okay. So you're also tutoring your daughter.
Yeah, sometimes, but my wife does.
Ah, she does.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, let's proceed. So, how many can you see in each set?
Uh, there are 12 diamonds,
Yeah.
right? Diamonds,
Yeah, diamonds, or maybe, yeah.
and 20 triangles,
Yes,
right?
that's right.
Triangle, right?
Triangle, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, next. So, please read the question
Mm-hmm.
and answer. I
Okay.
mean, there is a given answer here, but since you can clearly speak English, so
Okay.
I would like you to make your own sentence in
Okay.
answering the question.
Okay. Karen has three baskets of fruits. She wants to give the basket that had 15 fruits to Maya. Which basket will she give to Maya? 15. So, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think the basket, I mean, it's the yellow basket.
Hmm.
Yellow
Why should,
basket had
yeah.
the 15 red apples uh, and on the basket, a yellow basket.
Hmm.
Yeah. So
So,
I think it is given to Maya.
uh-huh, very good. Well, what is your favorite fruit? Maybe last question.
Actually, I don't like fruit that much, but
Ah,
I like orange.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I don't like oranges because they smell
The smell.
and they stain in the
Yeah.
bed sheet, and I always love to eat in my bed.
In my bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I eat while maybe lying down.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway,
Mm.
Jeff, since we don't have much
Mm.
time, do you
Yeah,
have a
yeah,
question for me?
yeah. No, it's okay. Your tea is very interesting.
Because
Mm. I mean,
is it interesting?
but you taught me with fun.
I try. I hope I was not too boring.
Yeah,
Because this is also one of the reasons why I shy away from the AHOP because I
yeah,
am more into the unorthodox kind of thing.
yeah,
I teach in my own style, but
yeah,
since this is a strategic step by step, it's like I am having a hard time.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
mean,
that's what I'm scared about.
that's why you that's why you got 9 stars.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Well, maybe because the students were also generous in
Hmm.
giving.
No,
So, well,
no, they are
anyway,
not. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah.
yeah. Thank you so much, Jeff, and I hope to hear from you again soon, okay?
Okay. Hey, maybe
All right.
maybe
Enjoy the rest of
tomorrow.
the evening. Oh, yeah. Tomorrow. Oh, well, I haven't seen the schedule yet, but since
Yeah.
we will be seeing tomorrow, so see you tomorrow.
We
Okay.
have class every day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just
You
check.
are
I
you.
haven't seen the.
Yeah, you are my daily teacher.
Oh, nice. Okay. Or
Okay.
maybe if, for example, since we will be seeing each other every day,
Mhm.
if you want to talk about other topics aside from
Mhm.
the AHOP book, you
Mhm.
can definitely do so. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. And yeah, I will see you again tomorrow.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.